earlier there was a gravitational singularity, infinite density and temperature is thought to have contained in an infinite decimal small point. Hi Rishabh. So there was a gravitational singularity, infinite density and temperature is thought to have contained in an infinitesimally small point. All mass and space-time. Initially, we neither had space-time. Yes, I have changed the name of the channel. So there was a gravitational singularity, infinite density and temperature is thought to have contained in a infinitesimally small point. All mass and space-time. Initially, we neither have space-time, mass-time. All were contained in singularity. After the singularity, we had an explosion. 13.7 after the singularity. So after the singularity, we had an explosion 13.7 billion years before present, which led to the formation and the evolution of the universe. There was the initial gravitational singularity. After singularity, we had an explosion. 13.7. When did we had the explosion? 13.7 billion years before present, which led to the formation and the evolution of the universe. Yes, it's my handwriting. मेरी handwriting सच में अच्छी है. You guys can see. हाँ प्रांजल. ये तो बहुत जल्दी में लिखा हुआ है. It's better than this. Hi Pranjal. So after the singularity, we had an explosion 13.7 billion years before the present, which led to the formation and the evolution of the universe. This explosion is known as the Big Bang. So in the first 3 minutes of the Big Bang, the first particles, atoms that started forming was the hydrogen. So the first 3 minutes, the first particles, atoms started forming, the subatomic particles. The first electron was formed. Then Big Bang theory. Geography day, yes, today is geography. This is for my revision during the time of exam. I make short notes on the facts that I don't understand. So like I can write the facts that the Big Bang 13.7 billion. Multi-talented. Oh, thank you. So they can write 13.7 billion years Big Bang happened. So this is how I make notes that 13.7 billion years Big Bang happened. Shit. 13.7 billion is the molecular formation of the evolution, and the explosion is known as the Big Bang. So in the first 3 minutes, the first particles atoms started forming. So I have already read all my subjects, just it's a revision. The first time the first particles of atoms started forming. The first atom to be formed was started to form was the hydrogen. So hydrogen was the first atom to be formed. So a microwave light was released about 4 lakh years after the Big Bang. So first atom on star. So the topic I got on star. So first atom to be formed was hydrogen. So sorry guys, I'll just skip that. So I'm doing my law as I've already said you, masters in law, and as well as I'm preparing for civil services also. First atom hydrogen was formed. Okay guys, can you tell me if 2 atoms of hydrogen fuse, then what they will form? If 2 atoms of hydrogen fuse, is a thermonuclear reaction happening? It's fine, Rahul. If 2 atoms of hydrogen fuse and thermonuclear reaction is happening, then what it will form? Yes, it will form helium. So stars are the factors producing helium. So first atom we had the hydrogen, then the thermonuclear reaction happened where 2 hydrogen combined to form helium, and stars mainly comprises of helium. Yes. So in the first 3 minutes, the first particles atoms started forming subatomic particles. First, a microwave light was released about 4 lakh. A microwave light was released about 4 lakh years before present. So in 13.7 billion years. So after the singularity, we had an explosion. 13.7 is mentioned wrong. It is 13.7 billion years. In the first 3 minutes, the first particles atoms start forming, and a microwave light was released about 4 lakh years. So microwave light, first 3 minutes, first atom, 3 minutes. It's not 20 billion, 13.7 billion, corrected. In the first 3 minutes, the first particles atoms started forming. A microwave light, a microwave light was released about 4 lakh year after the microwave light microwave light for up to 4 lakh years. So, 4 lakh years. So this is how I make notes for last minute revision. I just write down the facts so that I can revise. And I have mentioned also unknown facts so that I can revise during the time of my exam. The first Dr. Singarkar in the first 3 minutes, the first particles atoms started forming. Subatomic particles and microwave light was released about 4 lakh years after the Big Bang. So after the Big Bang. So who recorded the first microwave light that was released after the Big Bang? Like years after the Big Bang was just recorded. Atoms, electron, hydrogen, smallest. Who recorded the first microwave light? No idea. So it was NASA. Cosmic Backgrounds Explorer, NASA. Atoms, hydrogen in the universe except dark matter, everything is made of atoms. Simplest atoms to form is hydrogen. So hydrogen comprises of 95%. So you have to remember hydrogen comprises of 95%. Hello. So hydrogen in the universe except dark matter, everything is made up of atoms. In the universe except dark matter, everything is made of chemistry. Is geography. Everything is made of simplest atom to form. Simplest atom to form is hydrogen. So hydrogen comprises of 95% in the universe. Hydrogen atomic mass is 1 and 1 atomic. Okay, it has 1 electron and 1 proton. No neutron. So hydrogen doesn't have neutron, 1 electron and 1 proton. Okay. Helium, 2 atoms combine to form helium. Okay, helium has 2 neutron and 2 proton. Fusion, combination and fusion split of the atoms. Helium is formed due to the fusion of the hydrogen atoms known as the nuclear fusion reaction, also known as the thermonuclear reaction. The temperature required for the nuclear fusion reaction or thermonuclear reaction is 10 million degrees Celsius. It's radio wave. It's radio wave. but the first radiation to be released when the universe was forming was microwave. The less energy radiation. Radio waves has the lowest energy, but high frequency. Guys, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Which electron from heater or any cooking oven? It's microwave, of course. Infrared radiation. No. So do you know about VIBGYOR concept? VIBGYOR, violet, indigo, ultraviolet radiation. These are high energy radiation. I don't know. Is infrared or microwave? I don't know. I'm not primarily science student. Answer would be okay, thank you. I will also check this. Frequency maximum means low energy. I think it's radio wave. It's radio wave. Well, you are asking in VIBGYOR, then I think frequency you're talking, then it's red. Violet or red. So blue has the highest energy and the lowest frequency. Is this the concept? Energy wavelength low. That's what I'm taking. Also frequency highest energy. Okay, that's what I got confused. Okay, then it's blue. Guys, what I have read, high energy, low wavelength. Now frequency is related to wavelength or energy. What's the reason behind this? Energy is directly proportional to wavelength. So high energy means high wavelength. I think energy is inversely proportional to wavelength. My God, this is. I'm not a primarily science student. I'm a basic science student. Frequency proportional to wavelength. Okay, got it. The high frequency, low wavelength. Okay. I'll just note this down. So helium is formed due to the fusion of some guys. I have some work. I'll join you after some time.